Are you looking to boost reach and visibility without spending tons of time on content creation? Pinterest is the best marketing platform that will help you reach new audiences, increase your brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, and you don't need to spend more than 1 to 2 hours a week. We love Pinterest as entrepreneurs because it's a search engine, so you can use SEO to your advantage. Your content doesn't disappear after 24 hours. It's going to continue to live on your boards, which means you can continue to get views and engagement from evergreen content. Today, we're talking about Pinterest video pins. If you're familiar with Pinterest already, video pins are just like regular pins, but you guessed it, video. Pinterest video pins are great for establishing your expertise in your niche because they are the perfect format for evergreen educational or inspirational content. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what video pins are and why they're important. Video pins feature a single video or multiple videos and images in one pin. You can add effects like text overlay, music, stickers, and more. Video pins are going to automatically play when they appear in your home feed, and they also have cover images to help you capture the attention of your followers. With video pins, you can showcase your products or services, share your knowledge, and engage with your audience in a fun and authentic way. They're perfect for businesses that want to stand out and create a personal connection with their customers. You can also link out to a page that you want to feature, like your website, YouTube page, Etsy, or opt-ins, so make sure that you're including those CTAs. Now let's talk about some things that you want to keep in mind when you're designing pin-worthy videos in Canva. So first of all, you always want to stick to a vertical format for Pinterest, the same as Instagram story or reel size. They can be 4 seconds to 15 minutes, but shorter and snappier is generally better for holding your viewers' attention. Big, bold text that is easy to read is going to be the best choice to use. And you want to make sure that you're using high quality videos or images like the hot stock library. Pinterest is a visual platform, so you can't overlook this because it's what people are paying attention to. With video pins, you always want to have a slide that you can set as your video's thumbnail. So whether you're creating cover slides or an end slide with a strong CTA, these both function really well for this. Essentially, you want your viewers to see this slide and want to click on the pin to watch the whole video. You can use videos in the background with text overlay to create pins that are aesthetic but useful as well, which is our fave way to use video pins. Topics that are going to work well for this are quick tips and advice in a niche that you're an expert in, inspirational quotes, building hype around new products or services, or announcing a new blog post or launch or sneak peek. Remember that people use Pinterest to either search for answers to their questions or to get inspired, so you want to keep that in mind when you're creating content. You can even create video pins with static images by simply incorporating animations and movement within your text. And lastly, never forget to add your CTAs. This is very important because you want to entice them into clicking to visit your external link, whether that's a full blog post that is relevant to your video pin content, a free download, or to your business page. This is the most important part for business owners when it comes to engagement and click-throughs, and the biggest reason why you should be using Pinterest. And then lastly, you want to download as proper format, which is MP4. And then just a tip, when you're trying to decide what type of video pins you want to create for your niche, you can research within Pinterest. So you can type in a niche keyword or phrase in the search bar to see what comes up, to see what pins are going to be performing the best, and then create something similar. Or take a blog post or YouTube tutorial or something that you've created for your business that has great tips or information that you think your audience would find useful, and then repurpose the information to be short and easy to digest in a video pin. Or you can also check Pinterest trends to find Pinterest topics that are popular right now or will be popular really soon that would be timely for you to create pins for, and see if there's anything that you could spin to relate to your niche. And now you're ready to post your video pin to Pinterest. So when you're in Pinterest, you're gonna click create and then create pin. From here, you can upload your MP4 file, and then you wanna select what's going to be your cover image. So just drag to the frame that you want to use, whether that's a cover that you created or a slide that features that really punchy CTA. And then we want to optimize our video for pin discovery and reach. So we do that by adding a keyword rich title. You can search for phrases within the Pinterest search bar to see what people are searching for and what keywords they're using, and then include those relevant keywords within your title. Then choose a relevant board where your pin is going to live forever. Add your topic tags that are relevant to your niche or pin. You can only choose topics that Pinterest has already created, so search for relevant keywords or phrases and then choose topics that they have that make sense. Then you want to add a description that is again keyword rich that describes your video pin. Then make sure to add a CTA. Also, if you added a CTA in your graphic, then you want to make sure that it also matches the information in your description, and then add that very important destination link. Then you can choose to publish immediately or publish at a later date. This is a great option if you want to schedule out multiple posts at once to fit with a posting strategy for your business. So after you post, you don't want to just leave it there. You want to post, experiment, and then reassess. So you want to make sure that you're posting lots of different types of formats and going to your analytics to see what types of pins are performing the best for your account, and then create more pins in that popular format while maybe even adding more to it, whether that's more tips or more slides, whatever it may be, to see if those are going to perform even better. You also want to repurpose your old topics with new graphics, and if they link to older blog posts, consider updating those blog posts every once in a while with some fresh visuals, and make sure that the information is always up to date, because you're still going to have people clicking through and landing on that destination, and you want to make sure that it's really rich and useful for them. And now let's just summarize with the best practices for creating video pins that we touched on today. First of all, you want to use evergreen as well as trending search topics to ensure that your content has a long lifespan and is going to be found in search. You want to customize your pins with video, animation, and text overlays to make them more engaging. You want to use Pinterest SEO to optimize pins for search results. That includes completing all details, including a title, description, and tags. And you want to add a clear call to action to encourage click-through with your relevant link added. If you're ready to get started with Pinterest and you want to get your hands on ready to customize Pinterest video pin templates, then you'll want to check out the Hot Stock membership. Inside our exclusive members only library, you'll get access to more time-saving templates, thousands of stock photos, curated stock videos you can use on social media, and monthly marketing guides to help you with content creation for your business. Thanks for watching. Want more video marketing tips? Then watch our video, 5 ways to use stock video for your brand.